Hey everyone, so in this short video I'm going to show you how you can take any article on the internet and change the reading level for it. So this is an article on National Geographic Kids about Fish Lake Nation. Okay, and you can scroll to see kind of what it's about. But say I wanted to use this at the high school level. So I'm just going to click this Brisk icon. I have in a previous video another option that will show you how to install the Brisk toolbar. So once you have it installed, you'll look for the Brisk logo, you click on it, you're going to click change level, and I'm going to make this for an 11th grade, and then I'm going to click change reading level, and it's going to automatically work its magic. It's going to open up a brand new Google Doc for me, and then it's going to start converting all of the text to an 11th grade reading level. You then can automatically save this to your Google Drive. You can also go one step further and you can rewrite anything that you may not like. You could translate it if you needed to. You can make it longer or tell it to include less detail. You could also then assign this as an assignment and then turn it into as a quiz to see if your students actually read it. You can also expand with their vocabulary from this, and then it'll even help you add this to your lesson plans. So I hope this helps everyone, and please remember to use Brisk and that it is a free tool for you that is available for Valdosta City Schools. Thanks everyone, go Cats!